we're taking pictures of her.
Terry, don't buy any poles for her to dance on.
Oh, woo! Dance without the pole. Those are your brushes there.
Yeah, Alex, look at that.
You're pretty bright with her behind you.
Really tired.
Who needs TV when you got kids, right?
And Alex.
And Alex. My grandma and grandpa used to have a little ashtray and they put quarters in it and we just keep dancing. That was Kathy and me. We used to do ballet through the room. They'd make it clink, you know,
Hey,
with the
Alex,
quarters.
she's going to show this to your daughter when she gets old enough.
Yeah, so you better get in there.
Here's Daddy goofing.
And then she used her money.
And your aunt Jessie goofing.
She's loving on her plants.
Wow.